నిపుణులతో సమావేశాన్ని లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Presentation, but at the outset, I would like to thank all the visiting representatives of the industry. You've consented to come to this important CEO conclave at such a short notice and an overwhelming response. We had more than 150 CEOs of big and important companies coming from all over, not just from India, but we have the representatives coming in from USA as part of the IDF, and there are 10 representatives who have flown in specifically from United States to attend this meeting. On behalf of the government of Andhra Pradesh and the Information Technology Department, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. I would not like to spend too much of time. I'd quickly like to present to you why Andhra Pradesh. I think all of you would agree that the state is now endowed with a strong political and administrative leadership. Now we have the most conducive policy environment. 3 new policies, one for the information technology, one for the electronics hardware, and very importantly, first time in the country, a policy on innovation and startups has been conceived, approved, and notified by the state of Andhra Pradesh. We will be able to provide to you a proactive governance model, and just as you see the ocean on the other side, and you will also have the ocean of talent on the other side, a huge human resource facility that's available to you, more than 400 engineering colleges ready to supply to you more than 150,000 engineering graduates every year. You have the advantage of the tier 1 infrastructure at the tier 2 cost. Vizag is a live example of that. Friends, as I say, vision is the art of seeing the invisible, and as mentioned, the entire policy banks upon converting Andhra Pradesh into a knowledge society, and this is going to be done through not just high quality education and healthcare, but it would also be done through increased productivity in agriculture, create employment through good governance. We have set very ambitious targets for ourselves.
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో విశాఖని ఐటీ హబ్గా